Today, during your phonics word study lesson, you talked about how consonant letters can sometimes represent two or more different sounds at the end of a word. Today, for your PWS lesson or practice, you are going to do a word sort. You're going to read each word, listen for the consonant sound at the end of the word, and then sort the word into the correct column by dragging it to the correct box. So you have all of these word cards, and here are your N sounds. A C that makes the S sound, a C that makes the K sound, a G that makes J, a G that makes G, CH that makes Ch, and CH that makes K. So you're going to read a word and then choose which box it belongs in. The first word is drastic. Our N sound is the C, so it either is going to make the S sound or the K sound. Drastic makes K, so we're going to move it to this box. And then you will read all of the words in the list and move them to the correct boxes. Submit on Schoology when finished.